Ho ho, it's been a week since his young son died. Neither has happened, and this shameless woman vegetables come to the market to sell. People say this to Devaki, where staying. Devaki had tears of her eyes after hearing all this. She was requesting everyone to buy vegetables. Devaki is a 65-year-old elderly lady, and his death of son Ramesh due to ill health it was over because he had so much money in his two house were not that he treats his son like a big. After the death of his son, his grandchildren and his widow daughter-in-law lived with him, and whether he mourned the death of his son or went to the market to sell vegetables to feed them, people were unaware of his miserable condition and condemned him. Were they doing it or not, thinking that if she did not to go to work, she would not to how will the home store burn? Will what about the people? Is even if you do something good, people will tell you, and if you do something bad too, even then people will tell us. This society, this world does not let you live comfortably. Live will give, and some vegetables from Devaki in the market did not like to take, and all this. Seeing him a gentleman, Manohar tried to understand the situation, and then Manohar is consoling that elderly lady was. Then a woman come to buy vegetables from him. When Devaki come forward to give vegetables, and then he gave vegetables, and when it comes when a woman come to give the money, she asked Devaki start arguing and then quarrel with Devaki. It started, and Devaki, I am very sad to hear all this was happening. Then Manohar told the woman, explained, but that woman did not listen to Devaki. The woman was arguing with Devaki, but poor Devaki was not able to say anything to him because she was so grief stricken that she was burning in her grief. And after hearing this debate, a crowd of people gathered there. They gathered, and then Manohar became enraged, and there he started abusing people. That you people feel bad just by looking at this woman. Well said, but his condition, despite knowing they are becoming ignorant. I ask that if this had happened to you guys and a grain of food in your house, if not, then what would you guys do? Answer me. Then someone there will answer his questions. Was not ready to give because people have his answer was no, and then more gets very angry, and people then there. A woman said to Devaki's sister, please forgive me. Do it. Even after knowing your situation remained unknown, and she think of his hearing this, all the people in the market took turns start apologizing to him, and then after that started taking his vegetables also, and within no time all the vegetables of Devaki sold out, and Devaki also became very happy. After that, Devaki told more people there, then thanked Manohar, and then he returned home happily with the money has gone. Friends, we can be whatever we want, and the society, whatever it may be, and whatever the people of the society may wish. He ever knows someone's situation, he should not be made fun of because luck or fortune with whom and when create a game. That's why no one can know. We should never make fun of anyone. We should be happily in everyone's happiness and sad in any one's sadness. Should live together because this is what living is all about, and life this is how it works together to each others with cooperation and harmony, and this real humanity of recognized. I hope this story like you, and my channel subscribe please, and also video like, and give me your feedback on comment section. Thank you so much.